Hey guys, welcome. All right, so today's a special day. It's Thanksgiving. We wanted to do a video of what it looked like to be an over-the-road truck driver and spend the holiday on the road. If you don't know who we are Simple Living, best known for making our semi into a micro tiny house, cooking in the cab, and lots of trucker tips, tricks, and trucker hacks that help improve life on the road for you guys. So here we go. I'm gonna make a gourmet Thanksgiving meal. We're gonna have some green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole, stuffing, mashed potatoes, some smoked turkey, and a pumpkin pie. All right, guys. So this Sunday we had a Friendsgiving with our church, and I had some leftover mashed potatoes, leftover stuffing, and I had pre-prepped smoked turkeys ahead of time. That way I'd have it for when we went on the road and things like that, and I put it in little bags in a single serving thing. So that's how we got those, but the rest of it I'm going to be making from scratch. So the sweet potatoes I went ahead and cooked in the microwave. Green bean casserole, got the lids open, so we're going to go ahead and put some of this cream of mushroom in the bowl. I'm not going to need all of it, so probably about half the can, because this is just for me and Scott. And then we're going to go ahead and add some milk to thin that down, maybe about 2 tablespoons or so. I know some of you don't really cook from scratch, so it might be hard to play the guessing game for some people. So we're going to mix that up. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some of these green beans. Okay, now we're going to add some of these. The exciting thing is that the cream of mushroom is gluten-free, and so are these. You can get them gluten-free. All of our food is gluten-free because I have to. This is Scott's favorite thing, the holiday. We had to make sure we had that. The important thing, I like to use the French-style green beans, and we're gonna stick it in the microwave for like 5 minutes. So, swing my table around here. Okay, so that's gonna be going. I have my sink set up right in the driver's seat. In these Tupperware containers, a little hack that I do when I'm cooking a big meal is go ahead and put some of the dishes that you have done in Tupperware containers with lids on it, because it's going to help keep it hot as you're making your other foods. So we'll have to heat these up just one more time right before we serve them. So another little tip about Trucker's Kitchen is that if you use a snack size bag and you stuff it all the way full, typically that's 2 servings. So whenever you're prepping stuff, if you're at home or in the truck, if you use those those little snack size bags, so the sandwich ones, it's 2 servings, and that's what that looks like in the Tupperware container. So we're just mashing these with a fork. We're gonna put in a little bit of milk, butter, brown sugar. We're gonna modify this. So normally this is made at home in a big casserole dish, and it makes like 9 by 13 casserole. We do not need that much to make the topping for that. Okay, now just dump that on top. Top it like so, and then we're gonna so now we're gonna make the gravy. So in here is smoked turkey broth that I had saved. Then we have some cornstarch. So this hot, and we're gonna go ahead and add some cornstarch to water, and we're gonna kind of make like a paste. The water is kind of cold, so mix it up really well. And so now we're gonna make pumpkin pie with a graham cracker crust. So first, we're gonna need to put some butter in the bottom of our dish. I don't know about you, but everything is better if it's either cooked with butter, bacon, or bacon grease. So that's how we cook around here. Brown sugar to that, because the brown sugar is going to help hold it together, because it's going to caramelize it. Just a little sprinkle of cinnamon, a little pinch of salt, because our butter does not have salt in it. Okay, now we're going to put this in the microwave. Okay, so when that's microwaving, our are gluten-free graham crackers. So they come in individual little small packages. There's 6 of them in here. So I'm gonna use all 6 of them. Before I open the package, I'm gonna crunch them up. Just be careful you don't bust it. Okay, we got these nice and crunched up. Our butter. Before we mix this in, let's go ahead and mix that brown sugar and butter up a little bit. And now we're gonna go ahead and start dumping these in there. Gonna kind of make it into a paste. Okay, so now I'm gonna go, the graham cracker can start to cook and caramelize the brown sugar and all like that and get crunchy. Okay, so bowls to mix stuff in, I'm gonna use my coffee. Here is, we have some pumpkin puree. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 eggs, some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and then some milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and add everything in at one time. All right, there we go. On. Now we're gonna pour our pumpkin in here.
Just in case any of you is wondering where we spending Thanksgiving this holiday, we're a little east of Fort Stockton, Texas. If you ever made the 878 miles by 10,
Yeah.
There's a lot of grocery stores out here where we get all these supplies from.
No.
There's not even a restaurant area for hundreds and hundreds of miles.
So you gotta plan ahead if you want to eat good.
Lily's like, I'm tired of hearing the talking, let's eat.
So a little hack to keep the turkey nice and moist is I wrapped it in some damp paper towels. And we're gonna add it in there just for like a minute, and it's gonna be ready. All right, guys. So that's our Thanksgiving meal. That is a feast. And then I'll show you the pumpkin pie and whatnot. So yeah, hopefully you guys are encouraged that you can make a full holiday meal on the road and realize that it can be done, and enjoy. Guys, don't let it ruin it just because you do have to work. Just know that you're serving the nation and helping keep America rolling, and we thank you for that, and we are thankful just for other truck drivers out here with us, and I'm super thankful for Scott and Lily to be on the road with me so I don't have to spend the holiday alone. All right, guys, stay safe and enjoy the adventures. Bye.